guys, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'm going to be sharing my current hair care routine to tackle hair fall. So lately I've been losing so much of hair. I've been losing like these thick strands of hair every single day. And this is not normal for me, you guys. It's just that I'm going through a lot of stress right now. You can pretty much make that out from my face. I've had sleepless nights and it's been like so long that I haven't been able to sleep properly. There's just a lot of work related issues and a lot of personal life issues going on, because of which I'm so stressed out right now, and it's affecting my body really badly, especially my hair. And that's when I decided that okay, I cannot keep losing so much of hair every day, because that way I'm gonna go bald pretty soon. So I decided that this has to stop now, and I decided to switch up a few things with my hair care routine. Of course, the stress has to go away first for my hair fall to stop completely, but these are a few steps that I can take externally for my hair to make sure that I don't lose so much of hair every day. So it's a 3-step routine. The first one is oiling your hair, the second one is washing your hair, and the third one is a spray kind of a thing which I made at home. So for oiling, I've been using this oil by Oriental Botanics. It's their red onion hair growth oil, and this contains red onion, which is the strongest ingredient to grow back your hair, and it contains like 30 other powerful ingredients. Some of them are sesame cold pressed oil, rice bran oil, castor cold pressed oil, sweet almond cold pressed oil, golden virgin jojoba cold pressed oil, extra virgin cold pressed oil, red onion cold pressed oil, organic Moroccan argan cold pressed oil, soybean oil, macadamia cold pressed oil, avocado cold pressed oil, oats, and so many more ingredients, like 30 different ingredients. And this helps to promote hair growth, and it helps to repair your excessive hair fall issues. So that's why I've been using this, and it's been working really well for me. After the first 3 uses, I saw a visible difference in my hair fall, and my hair fall was reduced to half. So that's why I've been loving this one. And then again, it is free from parabens, silicone, sulfates, mineral oil, and it has no added colors. It hasn't been tested on animals. So these are some things that I always look out for in my products. Now, you don't necessarily have to use a product from the market. You can simply DIY an onion hair oil at home. I personally don't prefer that, because the onion kind of smells really bad, and the smell does not go away even after washing my hair. And after the onion juice and the hair oil kind of dries on my hair, it leaves these tiny white little onion flakes, which does not come off even after rinsing my hair. So I don't prefer using DIY onion hair oils, and I love using ones that are packaged. So after using that hair oil, I like to shampoo my hair post 30 to 45 minutes, and I like to use this Oriental Botanics red onion hair growth shampoo. I've seen a lot of red onion hair oils in the market, but no red onion shampoos, so that's why I picked up this one. And this again helps to strengthen your hair, nourish your hair, and fortify your hair for thicker and healthier hair look. It's a blend of proteins, pure oils, and pure extracts, so that's why I love this one. This is again free from parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, silicone, and all of the harmful ingredients. It's not tested on animals, and it contains only natural oils. This lathers up the right amount. It does not lather too much, because it does not contain sulfate, which is the best part. It cleanses your hair and removes all of the oil in one single wash, so you don't have to wash your hair twice, which is a really bad thing, because shampooing your hair twice kind of makes them dry and rips off all of the oils from your hair. So just shampoo once, and this shampoo really helps me to remove all of the oils in one single wash. So after shampooing, I just go in with any conditioner. Since you are applying the conditioner only to the lengths of your hair and not on your scalp, it doesn't really matter what conditioner you use. Now, the third product that I use to stop my hair fall and to promote hair growth is a neem juice. So for this, you need 2 kinds of neem leaves. The first one is those bitter neem leaves which you find at florists, so you need to pick them up. And the second ones are curry leaves. These are also known as neem leaves. So what you need to do is wash both of them and then boil them in water, and once they are boiled completely and the color of the water changes, turn off the gas and let it cool down. And once it's cooled, just transfer it into a spray bottle. So what I like to do is I just spray it onto my scalp, and the neem leaves and the curry leaves help to strengthen your hair, thereby stopping hair fall and promoting new hair growth. So you can spray this on your hair once every single day if you have excessive hair fall, and if you just have like very little hair fall, you can use it like once in 2 days. Also, this mixture can be stored up to 7 days in the refrigerator. If you have cold, then make sure you remove the bottle out of the refrigerator, let it come to the normal temperature first and then spray it on your hair instead of using the cold water on your hair. So yes, these are all of the things that I have been doing to stop my stress related hair fall, and they have really helped to cut off my hair fall into like 50%, and I'm sure like once my stress goes away, my hair fall is also gonna stop. This is one kind of situation which used to happen to me like back in the day, I think 2 or 3 years ago. But then again, I did not lose like so much of hair every day. I just used to lose this much of hair every single time that I shampooed my hair. But the current situation that I am in right now, I've been losing so much of hair every single day, which is really bad and it's abnormal. I know that. So that's why I've been following this routine and it's been working out really well for me. So yes, that's my current hair care routine to stop excessive hair fall and to promote new hair growth. I cannot really comment on newer hair growth because I haven't really experienced any so soon. But this routine has definitely helped to reduce my hair fall to a great extent. And I'm so glad I started following this routine. Then again, I want to mention that you don't necessarily have to use the same brands. You can simply DIY an onion hair oil at home or use any other brand which you prefer or which you already have. So yeah, with that I come to an end of this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends who face excessive hair fall issues, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today. This is Riya signing off. Goodbye.